To manage autofill passwords in iPhone 17 Pro, first we can open settings on our device. Next step is to look for the general options and click on them. Then scroll down until we find the autofill and passwords, select it, and from here you'll be able to enable or disable this option entirely with the first one right there. You can then change which app will use autofill. So for example, you can get a password from the passwords iPhone iOS app, or you can use the Google Chrome if you have it as well. And if you have any other apps, they should be available there as well. Then you can change the verification codes delete after use, which will automatically delete verification codes in messages and mails after they've been used. And we can also set up our codes in the app, and you can here select the passwords or any other app that you have installed. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.